This video will mainly cover the following points about the AI in the motor industry, the current and the future application of it, the social, ethical, and legal implications, and how it impacts industry and us humans. This section we will talk about how AI is being utilized currently in the industry and potentially in the future. A few well-known current applications of AI in the industry are manufacturing cars, supply chain automation, autonomous vehicles, human driving assist, insurance, and maintenance prediction. Manufacturers are always looking for ways to streamline their production. One way they are achieving this is by using AI in autonomous robots. They are far more precise, faster, energy efficient compared to traditional methods. An example of this would be laser welding robots that do spot weldings on things such as car frames. Not only do they weld as a primary job, but they also detect abnormalities and differences and still produce the same welds as no frame is absolutely identical. This position is achieved by a camera array which provides instant feedback, making it more useful than just a simple robotic arm. Injection molding is a technique used to create mainly plastic parts. Not only does the AI computer responsible for the process itself, but also the material going in, the product coming out, and the finishing, along with the deteriorating of the cast itself. In this case, AI affects the whole supply chain by utilizing big data. This comes from predicting when the stock is needed to be reordered and depending on how fast they are being used up. It also predicts how much they need to produce depending on the future sales. AI is also used in the exterior paint job section. Several manufacturers now use AI-assisted robots to paint and polish cars. There are various applications for AI transportation. AI is being used for fully autonomous vehicles and even for driver aid. Tesla is an industry leader when it comes to autonomous vehicles. Their cars are the most well equipped with AI. They use knowledge based on machine learning, which means they constantly improve the effectiveness of the autopilot feature. They also have recently unveiled a long haul semi truck that will have all of the Tesla features. It has features which include autopilot. This feature describes Tesla as of Tesla's website, automatic driving from motorway on ramp to off ramp, including interchanges and overtaking slower cars. Not only this, but it also includes features such as auto lane change, auto park, summon, and range detector. Modern cars can tell the range, but in Teslas, it tells you maximum range by taking into consideration the charge in the batteries, but also the way the driver has been driving and the driving behavior. There are trains without drivers, but main focus in development right now is a rail network that runs itself. Yamaha Kawasaki are two big motorcycle brands that have been working on various AI-equipped projects. Yamaha call this the Motorride. They have said this is going to be the smartest bike with the help of AI, although they have not revealed any specific details on the AI's capabilities. AI is being widely used in motorsports such as Formula One. They use it in conjunction with big data as this collects data from the sensors on board when the race cars go on the track. They collect data such as tire pressure and temperature, G-force, lap times, track temperature, and various other things that AI is utilized to find out the most efficient configuration for the race car to do a fastest lap. Social issues are effects of something on society. Legal issues are the laws that limit or hinder the effectiveness of something. Ethical issues are faced when no laws are broken. It does not affect anything in society, but it's morally wrong in some aspects. There are 4.1 million driving-related jobs that will be affected due to autonomous vehicles. This is a whole industry that is a source of income for many families. However, there would be technically less casualties due to the fact that there are less accidents, and the driver won't be present in the vehicle to get hurt. However, the drivers get complacent and incapable to avoid danger in times of emergency. There were 62 accidents where the cars were in autonomous mode. However, only one accident was the fault of the autonomous car itself. When there's a car accident due to human error, the human is held accountable. However, if there is an accident due to the autonomous vehicle itself, who or what is to blame? But due to the improvements in driver safety with the help of AI, the number of accidents and casualties have gone down from 2000 to 2013, according to British statistics. There are also a few legal implications. One of the most important ones is data security. Smart cards tend to collect a lot of data, some of which is very sensitive. If the data is stolen or handled inappropriately, this raises privacy and data protection concerns. The rules and regulations around insurance would change too. As self-driving cars become more prevalent and accident rate decreases subsequently, does that mean that the price of insurance premiums would decrease as well? These are a few references and sources that are used